Okay, so you've created your image. In my case, I found that Green Bay Packers G with the Wisconsin symbol, and I wrote Go Pack Go on there. Maybe yours says Happy Mother's Day. Whatever it is, you have that image. You've now put it into the Glowforge. So now you open this laptop here, and you click on the Glowforge icon. This laptop would be the one that is sitting by the Glowforge. You're going to do a new design, and you are going to trace your design. My design now pops up right here. So I'm going to click and drag around my design. Now, if your design doesn't show up, you can always go open the Glowforge and move it around and center it if need be. But so I just went around it. So this is pretty cool. So now I'm going to hit place artwork, and it is making an image rendering my design of this object. So the paper is still in there. So now I'm going to walk over to the Glowforge. I am opening the Glowforge, and I am putting my piece of plastic in the Glowforge. So it could be a piece of plastic for you. It could be possibly a piece of wood. But at this point, I have my image. It is scanning it right now, and there is my plastics project. Now, the next thing it tells me I need to do is select material. Before I select my material, I am going to make my image smaller because I want to center it about like that, and I want it to be small enough that when I bend my edges up that I will actually be able to see my engraving on the middle of my bowl. So right now it doesn't know the material, so I have to select the material. And because I've done this before, it is medium blue acrylic. If you can't find your material, you can search it up there. And if you still can't find it, I'll help you find it, or we can try to figure out some different settings. So medium blue acrylic, and I hit select. Now it is telling me I don't have any artwork because I need to select that. So now I have selected my Green Bay Packers G, and now it is saying ready. So now I click this print button here, and it's going to scan my material again, and it's going to, you can actually hear it probably in the background, it's moving around right now, and it is going to tell me how long it will take. Now, when you print, you must be present and you need to watch it. This is a laser. The biggest issue with it is it can, and it will, it potentially can cause a fire. So you need to watch it the entire time. Make sure I'm here and make sure that you are watching it. Okay? So I'm going to let it keep preparing. As soon as it's ready to print, oh, never mind, I didn't have to. It says that it's going to take 7 minutes and 23 seconds to do this on mine. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video and I will show you in another video with the iPad what is going to happen. So about 45 seconds ago I started it, and now I'm coming back to you. While it is engraved this part so far, there is 6 minutes 45 seconds left. It's starting to kind of smell like burned plastic in here. It's got just about the go engraved, and once it's done, I'll show you one thing. When it's done, it's going to say cooling down right here. That means you need to wait until it is done cooling down to pull out your item, but I'll show you that here in a minute. So the engraving has finished. It doesn't say cooling down anymore, it says ready. So at this point I can actually open up my the Glowforge and take out my piece of plastic.